Okay, so check out what I just bought. Look at this old thing. It's just been sitting out here for... Right? Look at that thing. 500 bucks. The door works amazing. I'm going to put a camper on this thing. We're going to do a fun flatbed build on this. Look at this thing. Doesn't this just scream a flatbed build that should be done? I mean, let's go. Look at that. Look at that. How many original miles? 19? Man, what a beast. This thing's 12 foot long. Look at that thing. Look at this. This is a wood spacer. That wood is good. Steel's rusting around it. That's what I'm talking about. This is going to be such a cool build. Look at this. This is lead. Oh man, that's cool. That is just cool. It's exciting. Now I got to tell Jennifer that I spent $500 on an old truck that we don't have space for. Woo! Jennifer, the company accountant, is not going to like this. Oh, can you just see it? Looking back there, there's going to be a camper on it. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. That's awesome. Date of manufacture. Let's see. Built during 1983 calendar year. Michigan. Detroit, Michigan. Man, look at this thing. Let's look at the engine in there. Me and my brother-in-law over there, standing there having beers. Look over here. What's that thing? He's like, oh, that's something I'm never going to do anything with. Look at that, 350 in there. Old military truck. Oh, this is going to be cool. Look at the paint. The paint sucks, but not on the inside. Let's look at this thing. Can you see the life in it? Look at the life. Look at the life in that thing. Brand new paint on the inside, at least in one spot. Oh, that's exciting. That's gonna be a sweet build. Let's jump up there. Oh man, this is gonna be cool. It'll be a company icon or something. That's what I'm talking about. Sweet. I think now I gotta see if my younger brother can get over here and get this thing running. Got tire chains. I happen to have 500 bucks in my pocket. He wanted 500 bucks. I don't think he expected to sell a truck today. Oh man, that's cool. Got to do the back window. That's the easiest part, probably. Hey, Easton! Easton! What are you doing over there? Come on and see what I just bought.
Did you really buy that truck?
What?
Did you really just buy that truck?
Come here. Come here. Check this thing out. Come here.
Starting to sound like David.
What?
Starting to sound like Papa.
Like Papa? Come here. Come here. Can you just see a camper on that thing?
Are you really going to drive that?
Yeah, why not? Look at that thing. Adeline, you like that truck?
No. I like it.
You don't? You like it. Give me some. Boom.
I like it, but...
That's what I'm talking about. Look at underneath there, Easton. We just bought this. We're gonna put a camper on
How
it.
much did you buy it for?
500 bucks.
Did Donnie let you?
Not bad. You think that's a good deal? Yeah.
Did Donnie let you?
Yeah. He was gonna get rid of it. Try to sell it on Marketplace. I can see a camper on this thing.
Hello. Yeah, the tires are so good.
Yep. Good big tires. All right. Easton, you're going to do all the sanding.
You can do that. You bought it for $500.
Yeah, but you're going to do the sanding there, little fella. All right. Sweet. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
That's why you're taking so many pictures.
Here, get up in that cab.
I bet it sounds like your old one.
I think we can get this thing out of here. Get up in that cab. Let's see what that looks like. No, I think that thing looks pretty good.
It does need cleaning though. Probably take just a little bit.
Anyway, climb up in there.
The steering wheel kind of looks like a bus steering wheel.
Look at that console. That glove box has the same latch of my dad's truck growing up.
Cool. Wait, I'm gonna get it. There's a book in here. Wait.
Hey, don't tear the book. I might need that to get this thing running.
Gonna fix it?
I'm gonna try.
Here, might even work. You wanna buy it?
Okay, yeah.
You already bought it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Do you think this is worth $500? Yeah. Here.
Right now, probably not.
Here. Right now it's like $100.
That is gonna be super cool. All right. I don't know. Now I've got to build it. Oh my word. That's hitting me. Got all excited and now I've got to do it. Dang. Well, as soon as you decide to do something, you got to do it, right? Yep. All right, well. Sweet. Now I've already started building this in my head. All the steps are coming into place. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Oh, that thing's a beast. Man. That's funny. That wood's outlasted the steel. I don't know if I want to redo all that steel. That's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. You know what's funny? Is I'm going to post this video to YouTube before I tell the crew what we're building. And they're going to have to figure out that way. Oh man, that's cool. All right, got to figure out how to get it out of here. This is all lead. Somebody was collecting it. Sweet. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be some work. This is going to be a lot of work. Shit. That's going to be a lot of work. Well, we're going to do it though. We're going to do it. That is going to be sweet. That is going to be sweet. It's been there long enough. These trees have grown in the way of the mirror. Oh man. Let's go. We build all kinds of stuff. This one's going to be unique. I like it. Now I got to start taking measurements. I keep reaching for my tape because I want to start taking measurements of this thing. Got to get it running first though. Okay, well, we're going to do this build. That is sweet. Got to go talk to him about getting this thing out of here. All right, guys, cheers.